As I'm going through my morning routine today, I just had the question, are you good enough? It's the underlying question that most women are asking themselves, including me sometimes, because we have those days, whether they're aware of it or not. The self-image is usually what constantly speaks to us about this, and some call it the inner critic.
It's what old people look like.
Old people have wisdom, right?
Most women believe they can just will their way into becoming the leader they aspire to be. Unfortunately, willpower will only take us thus far. While your will may take you back to school to get that certification or apply for the promotion when it comes up, the self-image is what will determine whether or not you finish the degree or move forward with seeking to negotiate a higher salary after you've achieved your certification. It will also determine whether or not you leave the job to pursue something else when you don't get that promotion. Honestly, your relationship with your self-image is what allows you to access limitless possibilities and to self-project the presence that you want the world to experience. To amplify your growth as a leader, your self-image requires consistent reprogramming and training so that new beliefs and habits can support you on your path to leadership and excellence.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad.
Mind mastery is the most powerful tool. This is simple yet highly effective and can literally change your life. I have seen this firsthand. Our thoughts shape our world. The things we think eventually becomes the thing we say and do. Our habits, our character, and this in turn shapes the way other people perceive and interact with us. Thoughts are truly manufactured in the mind. The average human manufactures about 60,000 to 80,000 thoughts per day. Can you imagine that? Now, what do you think happens if the majority of our unfocused thoughts are negative about ourselves or others?
Good.